I want to cover the installation of the syllabus and technology requirements for your classes in both Blackboard and Teams today. So in order to do this, let me go through and do a couple things. You're familiar with the faculty services screen, so let's click to Blackboard and we'll pick a class from my courses here. I'm just going to pick this one. And then I'm going to switch to a shell that I know has our standard empty shell structure. This is what you should see in your classes when you go in. So let's start by just quickly putting in the content area that we need for the syllabus. And put that in there. We're going to make that available to users. Hit submit. It ends up down at the bottom of the list, and since I want to highlight that priority, I'm going to slide it up. Now when we go into the syllabus, there's a couple, it'll open up a new content area and we can build content. So let's add a file in this case. And I like to browse my computer and find the file first in order to get that installed. And so I'm going to just take our standard CM syllabus template and I'm going to post that as my thing. And I'm just going to say, so we're just going to type in the name of the class. In this case, I'm just going to make it up. And I'm going to go down, and I like to use the track views just to see how often people are looking at it. So I hit submit since I'm not concerned about which dates will be displayed or not. And I'm going to add another item, which is a file that Joe Sosa has prepared for us, which is the updated computer requirements, both minimum and recommended, for which are hardware requirements for the systems at school. So let's do the same thing. We'll put that in there. And then if I have specific software requirements that I have, I'm going to just create an item. I like to type my stuff in advance, so I'm just going to grab this from Word, Control C. Quickly jump over here, paste it in the body, and say software requirements. And once again, I'm going to go down. I want it to track views and hit submit. So now in my Blackboard, I have established a content area. I've installed my syllabus. I put the hardware requirements, and I put the software requirements for this class in there. So now let's switch over to Teams. I've already created a channel called Syllabus. And in this particular one, I've already posted under Files my syllabus template. And I want to, under the same area, upload the same two documents. First being that updated systems requirement that Joe had put together. So we can put that in here. So since I don't want to just post the words in here, I'm going to upload that file. I want to update those software requirements that I had put in before. So now I have in both Blackboard and Teams installed my syllabus, my hardware requirements, and my software requirements for my particular class. I'm going to go back to posts here in syllabus because I did this because I think this is a good practice. In your syllabus, you have a weekly outline for the full 10 weeks of the course. If you clip that and post that in here, it gives your students a quick way to look at what are we working on this week. And I think you'll find that that will be helpful. I don't know how often we do find our students going back to the full syllabus that we're working on, but this gives them a quick outline under syllabus as to what's going on. So maybe a best practice, may not, just a suggestion for you. Thanks for listening.